Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are well. Now we have completed the first part of our Unit 8 chapter Reach for the Top, Part 1, Santosh Yadav, and now today we are start our second part is Maria Sharapova. Now before you read students, you know about that Maria Sharapova was a Russian girl who reached the top position of women's tennis on August 22, 2005 at the age of 18 years. Now this one is a very small age to take this type of name and fame. Now as you read about her, see if you can draw a comparison between Maria and Santosh Yadav. Now first, before starting the chapter, first there is match the following. Match the following. Now, something disarming means something that makes you feel friendly, taking away your suspiciousness. At odds with, in contrast to, not agreeing with. Glamorous attire is attractive and exciting clothes. In almost no time, quickly, almost immediately, poised beyond her years, is more calm, confident and in control than people of her age usually are. Packed off means sent off, launched means started, and heart-wrenching means causing strong feeling of sadness. So here this one is the match the following students. So you have to do it. Now next is as you read, look for the answer to these questions. जब आप read करोगे तब आपको इन questions को ध्यान देना है और इनके answers करने. Like why was Maria sent to the United States? Why didn't her mother go with her? And what are her hobbies? What does she like? And what motivates her to keep going? We have to find all these answers while study about this chapter. Now students, I summarize the story that Maria was poor. She was born in Siberia, Russia. She was a good tennis player and her father decided to help her. She was less than 10 years old when her father brought her to Florida, USA. Her mother had to stay back on account of visa restriction. Separation from her mother was a great sacrifice this young girl had to make. She was lonely and sad, but she was determined to achieve excellence in tennis. She was young and went to bed at 8 p.m. Other tennis players came to the room at 11 p.m. They would wake her up and ordered her to clean and tidy the room. This was humiliating, but she did not complain. She did it all quietly, but this made her still more firm in her determination to achieve her aim. She wanted to reach the top. Her rise was sudden and rapid. It took her only 4 years as a professional to reach the top position. In 2004, she won the ladies single crown at Wimbledon. The following year, she reached the #1 position. The secret of her success is hard work and her mental toughness. She is very competitive and is determined to retain her position. This keeps her on her toes. Now her hobbies, like many teenagers, she has sensational hobbies. She likes to wear sophisticated evening gown. She likes fashions, singing and dancing. She reads the detective novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. She loves to eat pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drink. Now tennis is a business and she gains fabulous wealth. She admits that money is a big motivation. But she thinks that more important than that is to become the number one in the world. Maria Sharapova is a Russian. She lives in America and speaks with a clear American accent, but she remains Russian at heart. She still retains her Russian citizenship. If she gets a chance to play at Olympic, she will play for Russia. So students, this one is the story of Maria Sharapova. So you have to read it and try to understand it.